Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome to our French for Beginners, Lesson 33, Course 1. Today, we won't have any résumé. Let's get straight to our lesson. Le, la, L apostrophe. Le, la, L apostrophe. The three of them stands for the article it. Le is the masculine version. La, the feminine one. L apostrophe when it's followed by a vowel. Let's see where to put it. First, before a conjugated verb. For example, tu vois la voiture? Non, je ne la vois pas. Here, the verb is voir. Conjugated. It appears under its feminine form, la. Since la voiture is feminine in French. Second rule, at the end of an infinitive. Je n'aime pas ce burger, mais je vais le manger. Here, the infinitive verb is manger. It appears under its masculine form, le, since burger in French is masculine, le burger. Je n'aime pas ce burger, mais je vais le manger. Très bien. Now let's see other ways to say it. Here you can see c'est apostrophe. C'est ici. It is here. It appears under the form of C apostrophe. C'est dangereux. It is dangerous. Same rule. Je l'adore. I love it. Here, it appears under the form of L apostrophe, followed by a vowel. Je l'adore. Je ne l'aime pas. I don't like it. Same rule. Ça peut arriver. It can happen. Here, it appears under the form of ça. Ça peut arriver. Good. Let's now try to translate. I see it. It as the bed. Be careful. Make sure you know if it's feminine or masculine. It is fun. She has it. It as the pen. Mind if it's feminine, masculine, or if it's followed by a vowel. I don't like it.
All right, I'll give you about 30 seconds. Good luck.
All right, let's correct this together. I see it. It as the bed. Le nid in French. It is masculine. We then need to put le. See is conjugated. You then need to put it before the conjugated verb. Je le vois. Le lis. Next, it is fun. C'est divertissant. Très bien. C'est apostrophe as it. You can easily guess if you need to put c'est apostrophe when you have an adjective over here. Dangerous, fun, sad, whatever. C'est divertissant. Next, she has it. It as the pen. The pen is masculine. It should then be le. Here, we have a conjugated verb. We then need to put it before the verb. Since the verb is avoir, starting with a vowel, we need to change le into L apostrophe. Elle l'a. She has it. Très bien. I don't like it. Just the same rule. Je ne l'aime pas. The verb like is conjugated. We then need to put it before the verb. Here, the verb aimer starts with a vowel. We then need to put Elle apostrophe. Je ne l'aime pas. Great job. Not easy, but I know you will get it fast. Personal pronouns. Singular and plural. In French, first person would be me or M apostrophe if it starts with a vowel. Second person, te and the apostrophe. Same reason. Third person, le, masculine, la, feminine, lui, can be feminine and masculine. N apostrophe, if the following word starts with a vowel, en and I. Plural, first person, nous. Second person, vous. Third person, les, féminine and masculine, leur, féminine and masculine, en and I. Translate. I see you. We have him. She knows them. They have me. I'll give you about 45 seconds. Good luck. Tellement. All right, let's check this together. I see you. Je te vois. Te is the personal pronoun for you. We have him. Un l'a. Him would be L apostrophe because the next word starts with a vowel. She knows them. Elle les connaît. Les stands for them. They have me. Ils m'ont. Here, me appears as M apostrophe because it is followed by the verb have conjugated, starting with a vowel. Ils m'ont. Very good. Translate some more. I'll give you about a minute. Good luck. Let's correct this together. You see it, the oval. Tu le vois. Très bien. Le, as it is le four. It is here. C'est ici. I love it. Je l'adore. She has her. Elle l'a. It is dangerous. C'est dangereux. It can happen. Ça peut arriver. We see him. Nous le voyons. Or, more common, on le voit. Très bien. This will be it for today. I'm very proud of you. See you next lesson. Bravo, au revoir et à bientôt.